Did you guys hear? I just have a guy. Oops. Ah, that's okay. I can give you more bananas, Craig, if you want. Probably I can give you 50. Just like Heavy Thunder. Yeah, there is. Do you guys like bananas? Just say yes. I can give you bananas probably 50-50. 50 for Craig and 50 for Kellen. But it's not gonna happen right now. Hold on, let me just write down your so that I can ask. Hold on, guys. Oh, sorry. Do you guys want bananas? Craig and Kellen? Okay, I will give you 50-50, but probably tomorrow. Because they're still gonna process that now. It will take like 1 to 2 days. Oh my god, there's thunder. Thunder outside. Okay, I will yes, yes. Okay, Craig A. Craig A. Right? Craig A. And Kellen. Okay, I'll give you 50 bananas each. But they're not gonna engage. They're just for, they're just gonna be there. Let me tell my friend. Okay. Let me see how much you got right now, Craig. How much you got, how much is your house right now? You got 1.14 subscribers. I put over here 1.14 so that we will know if it will or if it will arrive. And how about Idol Kelly and how much you got? Oh, you got 1.03K. 1.03K. Okay, I will give you after when I'm maybe when I'm done or maybe later when I'm done my friendship bananas or winning bananas because a lot of people like, they will give bananas. There is again the thunder. Yeah, friendship bananas, guys. Let me try to chat my friend, the one that will hand out bananas or the grapes. Let me chat with him if he's still awake because he's from the Philippines. Oh, maybe he's sleeping already. But I will just give you. I will just give him. Uh, Over here it's 3:29 in the afternoon. Three. I mean 3:30 in the afternoon. Saturday. Whoa. Sound make me crazy. Okay, let me do put the